guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be trying something totally different. Now my camera does not want to focus, let's put my hand there. Doing something completely different than normal, than anything I've done on this channel. But I wanted to try and be a little bit different from all the other, like sort of nail channels out there. And because I'm arty and crafty, I do follow lots of arts and crafts channels, and a lot of them do what's called like a paint with me series, where they take random stuff and they paint on it and redecorate the stuff, and it's super cool. So I sort of ran with that idea, but putting my own twist on it is I will repurpose and redecorate random stuff, but I can only use nail products. So instead of paint, I use gel polish. If I want 3D elements, I can use acrylic or sculpting gel, and as long as it's related to nail stuff, that's what I will use to like decorate stuff. Now obviously, because this is the first video, I've just gone in and picked something that I'm going to redecorate. But if you stay till the very end of the video, I will show you a bunch of stuff, and then you can choose which one you would like to see me redecorate. Please give me a second, because I've got to go and sort out my dog because he's decided to chew my shoes. So I have been slowly collecting gels. If you're a long-time viewer of my channel, you will remember this big collection of these gels that I bought for my daughter, so she could practice doing press on nails, because I make press on nails. We've got some Vetsy colours that I don't really use. There's a lot of these blue sky polishes, and I've kept all these because all the blue sky and these are not HEMA free, and so I don't use stuff, all the stuff I use on my clients and on my press on nails are all HEMA free products. So I've been slowly collecting these purposely just to do these videos. So as you can see, I've got a big massive tray of gel polishes. I will put that off to the side a second, give me some room. And the thing I've picked to decorate this time is this. Technically it is like a paintbrush holder, or a colouring pencil holder. It is in fabric. It's got this rope, and you open it up and it's basically got these little things you can put pencils in or brushes, and a little flap, and yeah, you fold it up and you can tie it off with the string. Now I bought this purposely because I have a big huge round massive dish like this that's just got a crap ton of all different kinds of brushes and dotting tools and all sorts in there, and there's certain stuff I always use a lot more than anything else, and I'm always rummaging through all the crap I've accumulated. And so I thought the things that I use the most, so out of my liners, this liner I use the most. I can put them in here and they'll all be together in one place, so I don't have, so all the brushes that I tend to use the most are all in one place, and they're easy for me to reach. And it is this canvas type material, and it will be, well, the first thing that we are going to redecorate with gel polish. So I'm just going to go get the rest of the bits that I need, and I will be back, guys. Right, so you now have a voiceover because this was filmed over several days, believe it or not. So first off, I am just roughly sketching out a design that I want to do. And yes, I am super original with my design. Not really, but so I've sketched out roughly what it is that I'm going to do, and now I'm going to go in with pure gel polishes that I have slowly collected over this past year, and I'm just roughly colour blocking these gel polishes. Now I am using it's meant to be like a mirror shine silver liquid stuff that I bought, but it doesn't give you a mirror shine at all, because I wanted to get that look of the metal that holds the brushes into like the pen holders. And what I noticed I'm going to have to do is I do a little bit at a time, cure it in the lamp, then I go back and I do a little bit more. Now, this did cure perfectly fine in the lamp. I put it in for 2 minutes just to double check that it, is cured properly. And it did. I had no issues at all. I will say this material is made out of like a canvasy material, and trying to paint with gel polish on that canvas is a lot more difficult than it seems, and it also uses up a lot more because it really soaks in that gel polish. And yeah, so I am just going to let you fast forward me blocking in these colours, and then I will be back once I have, when I've moved on to the next thing that I'm doing then, guys. Just to say, I did try to do something a little bit different here. Um, it did come out a lot better than I thought it would, but I'm actually trying to ombre a couple of different colours together to kind of make it look like the nail files that you get from Candy Coat. And yeah, I think it ended up looking okay. If you're wondering what that shiny bit is on the bottom, that is just a line of tape, so that when I peel it off I have a nice straight line. Now all I am doing is going over it with a Sharpie and just outlining everything so it's much more defined and noticeable, especially kind of with that lemon yellow gel polish on top of the cream coloured canvas. And so that is just what I am doing here. Obviously in the top corner, that is like the way I sign stuff. It's just my initials. And I even remembered to put the numbers on for the, like, what grit is on the nail file. So yeah, this is now a couple of days later, and I'm just showing you what it looks like all finished from both sides. So that is the outside bit that I decorated, as you can see there. And then we are turning it over, and obviously I did not decorate the inside, but I just put some of my favourite like pens and tools that I use the most, like my liner brushes, my acrylic brush, my favourite magnet. Ooh, pardon me. And so they're all there, and they're easy for me to just grab when I'm doing nails, and I don't have to constantly be rummaging around looking for that stuff. So yeah, what do you think of this kind of new video where I use nail products to decorate random stuff? If you want to see more, please let me know in the comment section below.